In this guide, we'll show you how to download and install Canva on your PC or laptop. If you find this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. Canva is an incredibly useful design tool, and having it installed on your computer makes it much easier to access compared to using it through a web browser. To get started, open your web browser and search for Canva, or go directly to canva.com. Once you're on the website, head to the top right corner and click on the Login button, sign in to your account, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. From there, look again at the top right corner and find the computer icon labeled Download the app. Click on it, then select Download Canva for Windows. After the download is complete, close your browser and open File Explorer. Navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the Canva installer, and double-click it to begin the installation. The process should start automatically. Once installed, Canva will open on its own. Click on Login through Browser, confirm the login, and select Open Canva. You'll now be signed in and ready to start designing. For quick access, you can also add Canva to your desktop or pin it to your taskbar.